Idioms are a great way to add flavor to your conversation. Let's explore some common idioms and their meanings.
On the tip of your tongue means you know something but can't remember it. For instance, the name is on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember it.
Guess what happened to me? I ran into that boy again at the park yesterday.
I'll bet. The one you met before, right?
Exactly.
What does he look like?
He is well built with broad shoulders. He seemed to be in great shape. He has a roundish face, bushy eyebrows, and a lovely complexion. His jet black hair is perfectly styled, and his piercing blue eyes are so captivating. What do you think of his appearance?
Oh, he is so handsome. He looks quite like. The name of the actor is on the tip of my tongue. Give me a few minutes and I'll remember it. Chris Hemsworth. If two people are like two peas in a pod, it means they're very similar. For instance, my best friend and I are like two peas in a pod.
Yeah, I agree with you. They are like two peas in a pod.
This idiom means to be unable to stop looking at someone or something. I couldn't keep my eyes off her during the presentation.
Did you notice anything else about his appearance?
He has a strong jawline and a friendly smile that lights up his face. I like his velvety voice, it's both soothing and captivating. It's as if I'm listening to a melodic symphony.
Sounds like you couldn't keep your eyes off him. Right? Correct. I am like really mad at him. This idiom means to be surprised or amazed by something. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw the view from the top. What's he like? Did you get to know him better?
Well, I haven't had a chance to get to know him too well just yet, but basically, he has a really friendly and easygoing personality. I couldn't believe my ears when he asked me to do some archery with him this upcoming Sunday and spend more time together.
That's awesome. I'm sure it will be a great opportunity to connect and spend more time together.
That's it for today.